Philosophy unites the fields of sociology, economics, and politics. Without philosophy, the students of humanity will be attracted to outer revolution, outer equality, violence, political power, and such other things. Philosophy first unites these disparate fields. It acts as a bond, and thereafter, philosophy unites its student. The student of philosophy is united with life. So firstly, philosophy makes the study of humanities meaningful. And secondly, it makes the whole life meaningful. A student of philosophy will become mature, will be pacified. That person will clearly see why certain things need to change, but will not be attracted to outer revolutions to make those things happen. That is why those who want dramatic social change seem to revolt against religion. They cannot thrash philosophy, but religion is an easy target. The bag of religion contains things like philosophy and much more. But when you throw the bag, you throw away one of its priceless content, the philosophy also. Once you study philosophy, you cannot be of this world fully. But that does not mean you totally become the otherworldly. Philosophy bridges the gap between this world and that other hidden world. When that hidden world opens for you, it no longer remains hidden. But even after coming in contact with that other world, you will see that it is mysterious. You would land upon a mystery that will make this physical world also a mystery. The bridge between that and this world would be closed, but you will not be able to say now anything conclusively about this physical world also, because everything will become a mystery. Then you cannot become an ardent reformer or revolutionary, and only then you will become a blessing to this world.